Sure?
Meron makeup.
Yeah.
Sino nag-makeup?
Hold on. Tita Fe is talking. What's the?
At si Ate Pia
So
nag-censure eh.
you're Tita Fe. You're
Si Mama
26,
kaya ano kaya i-censure.
and then Mom is your bridesmaid.
Yeah.
Ah,
Wearing red.
you're wearing red.
Red bang motif mo?
Ako din kasalde.
Oh, your theme.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
Makeup.
where did you get married?
Sa Rosario.
Ah,
Reception in our house.
oh, nice.
Where in our house?
Tour lang tayo, di ba?
What was the food,
Saan ang
Tita Fe?
Cook. Relleno. Minudo.
Minudo, caldereta.
Then paper plates.
Ah,
Disposable.
okay. Nice.
I spent 3,000 pesos.
Ba't ikaw
That
pumasok?
time.
Wow.
Hindi kami ni Mario.
Very cheap to
Very cheap.
have a wedding.
1977. Oh,
Ah.
may dress. Meron.
Ang laking bagay na no.
Now no more.
What
like
day
that.
is that? 90 what?
1977.
Wow.
1977. Wow.
You look at mga photos,
I
pe.
have my photos. Hanggang ka sa ano ko eh. Kumupas na. Sa ito ka daw nabili ng nanay.
Was Lola still there?
Yes.
Ah, nice. Did she cry?
No. And also, another
But-
experience where you, because your mom, many suitors. Then,
Oh, wow.
so strict, like a German Shepherd.
Wow.
Bulldog.
Whenever
Bulldog.
somebody would like to court your mom,
Wow, a lot of people want to court Mama.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, wow. Really?
May hawak na itak. May hawak na itak, sword. May manliligaw.
No one.
Maglalatag sa sala. May dalang nagdabog ng dabog, ano?
matulog na kayo.
Banig.
Panig, then we will sleep.
Sleeping mat.
Lola
Very
is funny.
respectful to the one who will court your mom.
Ah, okay.
Galing mo mag-English at
Then, nasanay ako sa chapel. Gumagawa ako ng mga...
Tinag-aral yan eh.
Hindi,
Tapos yan eh.
nasanay ako sa chapel.
Kami hindi
Sa
sanay
mga
na sa
announcements.
Ay, kami kulang sa
Kasi kailangan ko talagang gumawa ng mga announcements,
Oo.
messages, chuchu.
Ano ka kasi
Oh, who's the next
Hindi,
share?
coordinator.
Who's the next to share?
Angie,
Ikaw mo.
Tita Angie, you're next.
Sarado. Ako, anong papasok ng college, ano?
Titesi.
Ako, papasok ng college, di ba naka-uniform tayo CEU?
Oo.
Gagalit ang nanay, nakatalikod na ako, bidato ako walis tambok.
Walis
Tusok
tambok.
lahat dito, oh. Tusok lahat sa legs ko.
Wow.
she's really
She's strict, huh?
Oo.
What, she hit palo you?
Oh, yan o. Walis ting-ting. Binato, naka-uniforme akong white, ha?
Yeah.
even
Tali ko lahat. Purot, sabunat, yung mga kalmot ko dyan. Mga
Wow.
Kay Lola Celian, kamot. Tapos,
So she's abusive.
yeah.
Ah.
Single mom kasi.
But what did you take from?
Tapos pag hindi pa yung nasisiyahan, iinit ang sensye. Hoy, di ba? Oo, tatakmutin kami,
Paso?
sensye. O,
Hindi
paso.
hindi nanay
Si
ang
nanay yun.
memorable, si Ate Tessie ang tinatanong. Yung most memorable mo sa Ate Tessie.
Kay Ate Tessie.
Oh well, when you're all together as sisters and
Yes,
brothers,
sisters.
yeah, your best memory like that.
Oh, ito
Yeah.
si Ate Tessie. Yung,
Not just at the Tessie, but
lahat ba?
yeah, your best memories together when you're younger. Yeah.
Ako, ang best natin, di ba, pag Ate Tessie, pinapakain tayo sa pancake. Sa
Pancake.
Talay tayo,
Ah.
aristocrat.
Alisto kakirat, gano'n.
Sister ko ka na.
News.
Alisto
Green.
Oo,
Green.
kasi si Pe hindi masyado nakakasama. Combo. Kasi siya combo ratin todo. It's your daddy.
Ah.
Oo. yung ano kami, tsaka tasya, tapos dadala kami sa disco.
Papakainin tayo.
Oh, disco. Oh, she doing that?
Oh, disco, dinadala kami, bata pa kami.
Wow.
Kasi Mr. Conducta yun.
Mr. Conducta na. Si Ernie, dadaling kami sa Another World, sa
Playboy Club.
Stargazer. Sa Stargazer.
Wow, Playboy
Yun.
Club.
Yeah.
Playboy.
Stargazer, sa Mar del Plata, with Juan de la Cruz Band.
Naranasan nyo nila, bata pa
Yeah,
sila.
bata pa kami.
How old were you?
Out of town, din na lang kami sa
17, ganyan.
Tayo,
17,
nagbakasyon tayo sa Laguna, umuwi tayo dalawa.
Going disco. Si Fe, hindi masyado nakakasama.
Why, Tita Fe?
Tahimik yan eh.
Every
weekend we are in disco club.
Oh,
Playboy
I
Club
was not
of
able to
Manila.
join them.
Why,
even
Tita Fe?
once,
Because you are married already.
I'm focused with my studies.
Kaya tinan mo, siya pinakamayaman.
Yeah.
They
That's,
always going to disco every weekend.
Because being poor, all of our neighbors
Yeah.
are bringing us down. We don't
Oh.
have television. Then all of
Nakikinood
us,
lang kami ng TV. Sa
Oh.
kapitbahay.
Kawawa.
What, they're putting us down?
Para kami makapanood ng TV, may kamot. Da may-ari ng TV, may kamot.
Oh,
Taulo. Yeah. Si Ka Amado, kakamutan.
pumunta ng may
Just-
bus.
Bubulot.
Just to watch the TV.
Wow, okay.
Pero nung ako nung
Nag-Vietnam.
Vietnam ako noon, binili ko sila agad ang nanay ng TV.
Quadrosonic.
Wow.
Quadrosonic TV.
How much?
Bro,
1,000
yung pera
pesos.
ko, siya nanay kasi tumatanggap ng pera, kundi ako naghahawak ng pera.
Oh, you just gave it all to...
Of course.
Oh,
Ang dami naming alahas. Pinapadala mo kami ng mga gold,
alahas. Okay.
jewelries.
Also, during my courtship, Tito Mario, Tito Mario, every Sunday, he has to go to our house because that is the tradition. Then,
Every Sunday.
Tito Mario will said, I cannot come because I'm having a stomach ache every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Because he's
Natatakot
sa nanay.
Of Lola Cell. Oh, wow.
Mahigpit ang nanay.
Eyes are, staring.
Oh, wow. She was very strict, huh?
Yes. Super.
Did you like that? Or not?
You can do anything.
You ask Lilian. Lilian is the most.
It's the most worst. Abuse talaga.
Really?
Kasi kaya bata pa si Richard. Tsaka kasi ang nanay single mom.
Even at Isalo, di ba? Kuya Bert will get a knife.
Yeah.
Ahabulin ng Kuya Bert. Batugan.
Oh, wow. So a lot of hitting.
Yeah.
Batugan is tamad.
Oh, batugan.
Because the history behind that, Lola Cell got married at 14 years old.
40.
Wow.
Yes.
Like Mama Lilian.
She is beautiful. All,
Sa
when she got
nanang.
married, her mother-in-law
Very strict too.
very strict also punished her.
Oh.
Kaya nakuha niya
Kaya
siya.
nakuha niya yun. Oh.
Punished her. So,
Kawawa din ang nanay, alam mo.
in her mind,
Trauma.
she got trauma.
By the mother-in-law, so the husband's mom.
So, no. The first Tita Salud dad is a soldier.
Oh.
Only 19 years old.
Oh.
But he died in the war.
Oh, he died in the war?
Yeah.
So
Oh, he got killed?
Yeah.
Lola Cell getting money from the dead soldier.
Pension.
Oh.
Pension.
So, she wanted all of us to get married for a
Soldier. Gusto niya pa pangasawa namin mga sundalo.
I see.
So,
Kaso na pangasawa, puro taga Rosario. All from Rosario. Tito June and Tito Floyd are
Cousins.
first brother.
What?
First
Cousin.
cousin.
Are they?
Yeah,
Papa
they
Joe
are.
and Tito Mario.
Tito
cousin.
Maria, first cousin.
Really? First
Yeah,
cousin?
you don't
So,
know.
so their mom or dad is the brothers, sisters?
Yes.
What?
So, Mama Lilia,
I'm the only one different. Your dad.
our husband are cousins.
Hmm.
Tita Beth and Tita Angie, their husbands are cousins.
Yeah.
Mm.
They're
Ito siguro yung mall,
relatives.
ano?
I didn't know that.
Siya
Yeah.
ng mall.
Oh, no, you knew already.
Yeah.
Hindi mo pala alam.
No, I did not.
Maganda yung nalaman ni Klasky.
That's good to know about the family history.
History,
Yes,
family.
Ako lang ang iba sa daddy mo.
I see.
Ang daddy mo, ayaw din ng nanay sa daddy.
Pero your dad, first love of your mom is your dad.
Wow.
Because they are both singers.
Tsaka
Oh.
ano yata yun, yung childhood, Tess.
Oo.
Hindi naman childhood. 17 lang si Oscar noon eh. Ako 20 plus na ako noon. First, nung nakita ko si daddy mo, talagang na, oh, first love. First sight, oo, na first love ako. Na first sight.
Nanay Sel don't want your dad. So
Yeah.
they
Separate.
separated.
Separate.
When they met,
Yeah.
After 20 years.
Yeah. And that's by chance.
Yeah.
Oh,
Karaoke.
wow, nice.
He is a judge. And I am one of the guests.
love story.
Maganda story namin. Pero talagang bless ang family namin talaga. Yan ang aking only na mapapagmalaki ko.
Sabi nga ni Mels, Tita Angie, ampunin niyo na ako. Kasi sarap yung magkakapatid kami, away-away.
Ay, wala kaming ganun. Minsan nagtatampuhan.
Magkakapatid sa compound, hindi sila
Dahil sa mga...
nagbabaranggayan pa. Oh.
Doon yung wala rin. Siyempre, natural lang yung magkaroon ng
Kasi
ano.
sinesend ko yung mga pictures at
Siyempre, we are different.
ampunin niyo na.
Pero hindi nagtatagal na nag-aaway, ang magkakapatid. Pero we are the best talagang family na sa only in Rosario na ganun kami.
Parang si ano na dito, marami na sibilisasyon. Marami.
Asfield.
Asfield na ba to?
Asfield.
I might drop you off. It says it's just here,
Yeah.
right? So I'll drop you off and then I'll find parking. Okay?
Where is the club?
It says it's right here.
Oh, yeah?
Stone Bowl.
Stone Bowl.
Stone Bowl.
Stone B-O-W.
B-O-W-L.
Bowl.
Yeah.
Stone Bowl.
You bring the gift?
I'll bring. Yeah, I'll bring.
You're the one?
Yeah. Easy.
The bag
easy.
of your mouth.
Yeah.
Parang nasasanay na ako sa English.
Oo, mag-English ka. Ano ka ba?
Ano, Angie? Dalhin na lang yung mga ano,
bag
para
mo,
wala
yung
nang
bag mo.
bit-bit sa school class. Dalhin na lang natin yung mga bags.
Oo, tama. Wala nang bubuhat eh. Ito lang naman. Sa'yo.
So we are here.
Yeah.
Your accent will be Aussie.
Aussie.
Stone Bowl.
What?
I think it's. Yeah.
Hey? Huh? You can park here?
No, I'm not parking here. I'm just dropping you off. I'm trying to look for it. Just ask one of the workers.
Yeah.
Yeah? Take your time.